So let us update the our home page, and let us first create few of the use state. And this is going to be an array. This is also going to be an array, and so for showing the filter pop-up, we need a use state for that as well. Let us first create the layout of our home page, like how it looks like. Inside a section we have a div tag, and inside this div tag let us set the class name, which is filter a alert, and right filter has been applied. Click to reset. Okay, and create a div which is tags box. Okay. Tags is going to be an array, and such that I'm using map here. Let us create a one more div, which is div.post, which contain all the our post here, and inside let us iterate this because inside this list we are going to store of our all of the post, and let us create a card such that we can pass this item object, and it will return the card. So first we need to create a card component inside this components folder. Let us set to card.js, and for now let us add this card. Okay, and import it here. Import card from dot slash component slash card. Okay, so yeah, let us add one more div for the recent post section. Recent post, and recent post dot map, again same thing. Post title. So yeah, this page is almost done, and let us add few more functions such that we can able to see our post at our post here. Let us create a function which is constant get list, window dot local storage dot get item my blog. We are using this get list function whenever user visit on this page, he will able to see the he will able to see the post. So if the get list is not equal to undefined, for that case first we will parse that value, and set to the set list to the get list. Okay, so now one more we need one more things for that tag, the tag which we are uh, going to show at the left side, inside this tag box. Okay, let us create a new function which is get tags. Get list window dot local storage dot get item, and let us create an object such that we need the unique tags, and we can use that for you can also use the set, and you can also use the object, because the key value of object is always an unique. That's why now if get list not equal to undefined, first what we will do, we will just parse the value, and now let us just iterate, and inside and inside this get list we have an item which is no item dot tags. It is also an array. We are let us use for each as well, tag, and set this tag to 1. Okay, and now after getting all the tags, just set tags to the object dot keys and tags, such that it will contain all the keys of the object, and we will show as you see we are here printing the text using text dot map. Yeah, we need one more here for the recent post. Get recent post, and again doing the same thing, let's copy and paste here, create a title array, and just copy this. So now just remove this thing, and inside instead of this, just title dot push post dot title, and instead of set tag let us use set recent post, and inside this title let us write here post. Okay, post dot title. Get list for printing all the post, and get tags printing all the tags, and get recent post printing all the recent posts recent post. Okay, let us create a use effect, and let's copy this thing again, and if get list not is equal to null, so just call all this function get tags and get recent posts. Okay, so now let us make our card.js, and first get the item, set the heading first, item dot title, and let us add the image, item dot image URL, blog image. Okay, div dot tags, and this inside this tag it is also an array, so let us tags dot map, item, and the first one will contain the author, like Ankit, and so first try to add any blob, nature image. So just copy this copy image address and paste it here. Let's set the title to about nature, okay, and also set the tag forest, river, animals. Now if I click on this add text, we got some error. Let us check. Oh sorry, I said the name both are the same, that's why it gives error. Let us add this list. So now, so yeah, something is this is happened because of because in the use effect we did not add the dependency. So now now it only rendered the first time. Earlier what was happening, when we call is this get list function, it will update this get, it will come in the get list, and it will when it update the when it update the set list, it will again re-render, and it will again move in the use effect, and then it then so it is going to be in recursion. So that's why for now we have we don't have that error. So now you can see, now we have this get post, but the css is not there, that's why it looks weird. So let us first make the styling thing, and inside this card.js let us create a new file, card.scss, and inside this card.js let us import dot slash css slash card.scss. okay, so now so, and I also update the other scss files, which is profile and blog and profile, blog and name bar we already done. The profile section I also write. So now our page looks like this. Now let us add add the function on this filter has been applied on this pop-up. So we have a use state, which is show filter, and so now it is gone because we currently did not add the filter. Let us refresh the page, and if I click on this nature, you I think we also not add the this filter method. Yeah, we did not add the filter method on this. So let's add the filter. When the user click on the tag handle filter, constant handle filter, selected value, and pass the item inside this function as a parameter, so that we can access inside this handle filter function. So let get list window dot local storage dot get item and my blog. So set if get list not equal to undefined, Let us first parse this get list and filtered array. Currently starting it is an empty, and let us get list dot for each if item dot text dot include this selected value. If it includes, then we push inside this filter array to this item, and set the list to filtered array, and set so filter to true. And one more, let us add one more function here, handle reset filter, constant handle reset filter, set so filter to false. Set selected value is not defined. Okay, value. Set selected value. Okay. So now let us add one more few of the blocks more. Animal images. So let us add this type. Create block and so if I click on this add post, you can see we have we have this added. Now let us test the filter. If I click on this nature, you can, it does not work. Okay, we are getting error here, get list dot, oh sorry, get list dot for each. Instead of F, I wrote the G. If I click on this nature, you can see we have the filter which is in applied. If I click on this animal, I see the animal. So let us click on this reset. Yeah, one more thing we have to do, when we click on this reset, we also have to populate the get list function. So now if we click on this animal, now if we reset, you can see we got our list. So now we only have to pending is this my profile section. Let us do as well. So here we have this profile.js. After using now our pages looks like this. When we click on this my profile section, you can see we have this profile section, and you can also add one to few more things, like when we click on any of this post, you can also add the delete operation. You can also add the edit operation. If you find this video useful, then please make sure leave a like and subscribe. So if you have any query, then please comment. Thank you so much.